The sun rises and sets each day. It warms the earth, provides the light that we require to see, and allows life to flourish across the entire planet. If it disappeared, our world would be a cold, lifeless chunk of rock floating aimlessly in space. We see and feel the sun every single day, but have you ever wondered what it might sound like? The reason we cannot hear the sun is because sound waves cannot travel through the vacuum of space. Sound requires an atmosphere to create changes in pressure, but with the help of some modern science, we can actually listen to our star. This slightly haunting, otherworldly hum has been generated using data collected by the Solar and Heliosphere Observatory. The recording comes from waves crashing through the sun's plasma layer, creating ripples in its surface, and by tracking these waves, scientists can generate sound, allowing them to peer inside. By analysing these low-frequency pulsating sound waves, scientists can study a range of complex internal motions such as solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and the huge rivers of solar material flowing around inside. So by listening to these strange recordings, scientists can actually see the inner workings of our mother star. I really hope you enjoyed this quick video, and if you did, then hit that like button and subscribe for much more to come. Also, head on over to my main channel, there's loads of videos over there for you to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.